Hi, today's lesson you will need paper, pencil, tap mat, sugar tray, and the O and A cards, okay? Let's get started. Our letter blends are, let's see, pull, dull, full, zul, bull, gull, and tull. Let me get them mixed in real quick. All right. All right, let's get started again. I'm not going to be saying the sounds, you're going to be sounding them, and then we'll come back and we'll do the blending, okay? I, E, A, U, or oo. O, all right, let's go ahead and blend those. Okay, fingers up. Pronk, smonk, smubble, smupple, scuple, skeeple, skeek, weak, wild, even though we know that that's not how wild is spelled. It would just be the W on that one, right? Quiled, quang, blang, blick, blizz, blittle, fiddle, fiffle, thost, shost, shing, pling, pleffle, plezzle, plesk, flesk, flask, clask, clasp, clow, snall. Sorry, I had that this way. It's the same. All, because A next to L says all. Snall, or claw, snall, sniled, niled, nink, sprink, sprung, skung, scold, splold, splawl, sploss, splodge, splolf, splotch, sploggle, splottle, slottle, glottal, gloat, drolt. Good job. All right, now we're gonna review our red words. So say them with me. Said, knew, off, could, great, sure. No. If there's any of those that you missed, you need to load them and tap them so you get it right in your head, okay? Good job. All right, we're going to do our vowel intensive, so you will need your O and A cards. And go ahead and put those on the table. Listen for the sounds. Again, if your child needs to hear that middle sound, they can say the word. So if my word was plug, you would be pull, g, and you would know that that is the sound they hear in the middle, okay? So that's one thing. If they need to hear it, each sound, they can separate the sounds out like that, okay? All right, so O and A are the sounds we're listening for. Clot, pot, bad, clad, stop, plop, shot, flat, snot. Good job. We're at the dictation portion of our lesson today, and your child will need their paper, pencil, and their tap mat. Again, for the red words, your child cannot really use the tap mat. Those words break the rules. But for the words that are using our LE blends that we learned this week, they can pound those words and tap each sounds for each syllable. Okay? All right, so I'm going to say the sentence. Can you handle a rumble in the jungle? Can you handle a rumble in the jungle? Say it with me. Can you handle a rumble in the jungle? Let's say that again. Can you handle a rumble in the jungle? Now let's tap it. Can you handle a rumble in the jungle? Write it. All right, now we want to read that sentence first. Can you handle a rumble in the jungle? Did you start with a capital letter? Ooh, did you use a question mark for your punctuation? If you did, I want you to give yourself some jazz hands. That's fabulous. Now I want you to check your red words. Can, you, a, in, and the. Did you get all those right? If you did, I want you to give me an air high five. Now I want you to check the words handle, rumble, and jungle. How'd you do on those words? Good job. All right, we're going to do the syllabication part of our lesson today, and that is where we, when we come to a word we don't know how to say when we're reading, we can break apart the word using this science, okay? So I'm going to give you just a few moments to write these letters. Notice I don't say the word because I don't want to steal their thinking, because this is practicing when we're reading, if we come to a word we don't know how to say. So go ahead and write these letters on a piece of paper. They should be able to get 2 of these words on their paper, so don't let them use the whole paper for one word. Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is we are going to underline the vowels. So the vowels in this word are I and U. So go ahead and underline those words, or letters. Now you're going to build a bridge from the I to the U. Should look like that. Next, you're going to label your letters. So we have a vowel, a consonant, and a vowel. Now, anytime we can, we want to split our consonants. So we're going to put a line between the S and the C to split those consonants. Okay? Now what that does is that closes our I. So we're going to put a C and an L over that, and it closes our U. So we're going to put a C and an L over the U. So it should look like that. Now if I'm reading this first syllable, it would be v, is, this. And the second syllable would be k, us, cuss. Let's put that all together. Viscous, viscous. I might not know what that word means, but now I can say it when I come to it in a reading, okay? Now our next word is this word. I want to give you a moment to write those letters down. Make sure you write it big enough that you can split and label. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to underline the vowels. O and I. Next, we're going to build a bridge between the O and the I. Now we need to label all the letters that fall within that bridge. We have a vowel, a consonant, and a vowel. Now again, anytime we can split consonants, that's what we want to do. So we're going to draw a line between the S and the M. And that closes our O and our I. So we want to write CL over the O and the I. Now if I'm reading that, I'm going to say k, os, cos, m, ik, mick, cosmic, cosmic. Okay, so for today, your child is still going to read Rumble in the Jungle. This time, they should be able to read more of it on their own, and they should make less mistakes and be able to read it a little bit quicker. So we're working on accuracy and fluency. Accuracy, not making as many mistakes, and fluency, being able to read it more in a conversational voice. We're not looking for speed readers. We want them to still sound like they're talking, because our reading should sound like when somebody's talking. Thanks.